Dublin Castle is one of the most visited castles in Ireland, located in the center of the city. The Dublin Castle was built on what was originally a Viking settlement. It was built in 1204 for King John, the very first Lord of Ireland. Built in the Norman style, it had a courtyard, tall defensive walls, and a tower at each of the castle corners. Take time to explore the castle garden. It has a pattern that resembles sea serpents. The garden is situated where the Black Pool was originally. It was the site where Vikings used to harbor their ships, and it is how the city got its name, Dublin, meaning Black Pool. In 1624, a major fire tore through the castle, causing substantial damage. Everything was destroyed except the Record Tower. There has been a chapel at Dublin Castle since 1214. The new chapel was built in 1814 and was very expensive to build. It became known as a Chapel Royal after King George attended service in 1821. The rebuilt portions transformed the castle into a Georgian palace. For the castle's history, it acted as the English seat of power until 1922. After the Irish Revolution, it was handed over to the new Irish government. Thanks for joining me on my tour of Dublin Castle, and for more must-see destinations, please subscribe.